Okay, about I don't know, 20 years ago, um, I built this, and this is what I've been using, and it's a powder cop. Um, Use it for my nines, and it basically was set up that it would make one tone when it was correct, and if it was overcharged, it would be a higher tone. So what I have is this. So there's the low tone, and then overcharged is that. So that's what I did 20 years ago, and it's been working really good. But now that I'm doing everything in 3D printing, I thought maybe I could build the better mousetrap. So I have the powder cup here. You can see it rotates. It fits on a lock and load bushing, but it's also threaded, so you could use it on a Dillon. You could use it on anything you want. It's set up with two switches in it on a cam, and when the cam, so I've built that into the device. It's battery operated on 3 volts, and it works pretty good. You can set it up. I've got it wired so you can either have the light come on first when it's a good load, and then have the sound come on, or you can just flip it over. So I'll just give you a little demonstration here. I've got 3. One is empty, one is good, and one is over. And so I'll put the empty one in first. Actually, I'll put the good one in first. Good in first, empty second, over third. So when I come through here, and let's see if I can do this without pulling the whole thing over. Okay, so the first one is good. Okay, so it's going to be coming up here. This is a good one. Okay, comes up, you take it to the full stroke. Let me gonna move this out of the way. Go to my full stroke, and the light comes on. Okay, the second one is empty, so I come to the full stroke, I got nothing. The third one is over, and when I come up, I go to the stroke, it comes to that point, but now I take it all the way down. So it's good to that point, but it's overcharged. There's too much powder in it. So there you go, guys. This has an adjustment in the top. So basically what you do is you make a load, and then you move the plate up and down. Okay, so you can see I can move the plate up and down, and that sets the point. It's moving the whole assembly, so it sets the point at which the load will go off. You don't need a lock or a Hornady powder cop. This is all set up, all brass construction, and it can be adjusted. It can be adjusted to any height. It's all brass, and it's got a little. The only thing you have to do here is you have to change out the rod, and you can see right here, you just take a needle nose pliers and you just move that up. The little circlip comes out, the little key comes out, put the new rod in, and then just push it into place. Very easy to do. So that's mine. I saw one online today. I've had this one for several months now, and thought I'd show it to you guys. I don't know if you're interested or not, but there you go.